Hey everyone, this is Awesome Wakabayashi from Zen Ideas. Today I want to walk you through how to use the latest post block feature. This is one of my favorite tool. If you are using WordPress, so you might have custom content types like case study, testimonial, product update. You want to include them in your email and create a newsletter. You can do this instantly. It takes like a couple minutes to create a newsletter. And FluentCRM now lets you include any custom post type in your email and newsletter using the latest post block. So whether it's an event, online resources, blog, news, any articles, you can now curate and share exactly what matters to your audience. Let me show that to you. Now, so let me show you what you can achieve here. So you can create something like this newsletter instantly. Like for example, this data is coming from my website. So I give you, let me just click here. It takes you to my Zen Ideas website content, all right? Because I update regular basis. And then the next is, so let's see my upcoming event here. So let's click. It takes you to right at my event page. Okay, and here you can just register. If you have WordPress website, it is easy to create a blog or news. In my case, I have online resources. I educate my client and developers how to use, how to optimize WordPress website. So I got a lots of content here, mostly video content. So let's say I would like to package this content and then compile in my newsletter. And I can send it monthly or quarterly. And if you have a third-party email marketing software like MailChimp or Constant Contact, you have to kind of copy and paste, and then you have to take a screenshot for the images, and you have to upload to another server. And it takes lots of manual labor. But with FluentCRM and WordPress website, you can do that instantly. So let me show you how to do this. So let's go to FluentCRM dashboard here, and let's create an email campaign. And then if you don't have it, so you can just create here. So I'm going to just create a new campaign here. I'm going to say newsletter in May 2025. Okay, so let's say this is a monthly newsletter. All right. So there's lots of template here, but I'm going to just use a simple box template. And then right here, if you click plus, and you have lots of widget here. But for this tutorial, I'm going to use this. It's called the latest post block. So I'm going to just grab here and insert. All right, so instantly it pulls the data from my post. This is resource post. Okay. Yeah, so let me show you. I'm going to open up with a new tab here. So take you to dashboard. And then or here are the post, if you see the all posts. So under post, I have all the online resource content here, and I have some categories. Okay, let's go back here. And if you want to have categories, the only you want to show, let's say just tools and design, so you can customize that too. All right, so you can put a certain taxonomy category here. Okay, and so let's just go back here, and I'm going to just put title, and then I'm going to just move this up here on the top. All right, so I'm going to just put here, and I can say, okay, online resources, and I'm going to put each one so it's bigger. All right, so let's bring some paragraph here, and then you can type, so I'm going to just put dummy context here. Copy that. Okay. Now, so let's just select this, the latest post. So yeah, you can do newest to oldest. You can change that too. You can do alphabetically. But in my case, I'm going to just choose newest to oldest. Okay. And you can pick how many posts if you want to put the 6. So you can do 6 posts here. But I'm going to just keep it 2, 3. And you can change the layout here. So you got the layout. It's kind of thin, but you can see layout like that. But it doesn't work that way because I think image is cover. So you can do contain. So you can do that too. So let's just, I don't like that so much. What about on the right-hand side? Okay, so that's not too bad, but I like actually this content. Okay, so I like this layout. And you can, if you want to hide image, you can hide image. But I like to have image here. All right, and then you can change the text button too. Let's say, more details, like that. But I can see, I like need more. It's good. And you can change color here. You can a little bit design, um, design a content here. All right. Now, this is not only, so this is just resources. Now let's go to dashboard here. So I got some event because we host event too. Mostly like some meetup events. So there are some events here. And this is another CPT, custom post type. And so let's go here. And I'm going to just add another block, maybe on the bottom, below that. All right, so now next, instead of posts, I got the events here. So I'm going to just use events. So let's say, so now I got all the events, upcoming events here. Now, so let's do this again. So I'm going to use the same layout and change this to, register today. This. All right. And I did some separation here. So let's bring another heading here. Where did it go? Oh, okay. So it's right here. And I'm going to say upcoming event in May 2025. Okay. And I'm going to just make it a little bit bigger. Now, so let's bring a paragraph here. So I'm going to just move this paragraph to just below right here. Okay. And I'm going to just put the dummy text for now. Yeah, something like this. Okay. And then I need some separation here. So let's, and yeah, here is a spacer. So just move a spacer right here. Okay. Yeah, you can kind of adjust the space here. All right, so let's save it. All right, so by the way, you can change typeface, padding here, change the background. Mine's a kind of gray background. And let's move continue. And the email subject, email subject is going to be newsletter in May 2025. Okay, so you can put the pre-header, you can do custom from name and email. I'm going to just skip here and let's go to continue here. And then recipient is, so I have some test list here. So I got a bunch of listing. You can segment it. This is just like any other email software. Yeah, so I'm going to just use test. Okay, just one contact and hit continue. All right, so you can see a little preview here. Okay. All right, so I'm going to just send it right now. So let's see what's going to happen. Go. Yes. All right, so it got sent it out. Let's see. So let's check email here. Okay, so you see that email here, newsletter in May 2025. All right, so looks safe. So now look at it. It's so easy here. And now, so you can click, so let's say you can click this one, read more. It just takes you to my content here. All right. And then same as, let's see the event. Okay, so let's register today. And then here's the event page. Okay, so here's the event, straight to my website. All right, what do you think? So that's really easy to create a newsletter and send off to your client or community. So I hope you enjoyed it. And then thanks for watching and see you next time.